What is the ruling on coloring books? Can children color living or non-living images as they are not yet accountable? The most authentic opinion is that even children, even if they're not accountable, the parents are. So if a child wants to drink alcoholic beverages, wine or champagne, or wants to smoke, or wants to listen to music, or wants to do something haram, though the child is not accountable, we as parents are. And this leads us to the fact that coloring, drawing books is part of drawing it. So it is not at all permissible for children to be assisted in doing such a thing. They'll grow up loving and liking such things, and most likely would influence them in the future, and hence we must stop them from doing this. When the coloring books are related to drawings of animals, humans, birds, living creatures. But if it's coloring books of landscape, of greenery, of mountains, of whatever, farms, there is no problem in that, inshallah.